Hello and welcome once again to my channel. This is Math with Robix TV. Okay, this time ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa area of parallelogram. Okay, so the problem. This is area of parallelogram. The formula is area is equal to base times height. So we have here example number 1, a parallelogram which its base is 8 feet and a height of 5 feet. Okay, so let us go straight to the problem. Okay, so area is equal to base times height. That would be area is equal to 8 times 5, and that is area is equal to 8 times 5, that is equivalent to 40 square feet. That is for number 1. Next, number 2. Okay, we have a parallelogram that has a base of 9 meters and a height of 6 meters. Okay, so again, area is equal to base times height. That is area is equal to the base of 9 times 6. So that is area is equal to 9 times 6 is equivalent to 54 square meter. And number 3. Okay, so we have a parallelogram which its base is 14 inches and a height of 4 inches. Okay, that is area is equal to base times height. Area is equal to 14 times 4. That is equal to area is equal to 56 square inches. Okay, so and the last one, we have a parallelogram which has a base of 3 centimeters and a height of 9 centimeters. Okay, so that is area is equal to base times height, and area is equal to base, which is equal to 3 centimeters times height of 9 centimeters. So area is equal to 3 times 9 is equal to 27 square centimeters. Okay, that is how to find the area of a parallelogram. I hope may natutunan naman kayo sa ating aralin sa araw na ito. Stay safe and God bless.